give our SOAR a round of applause?
Yes.
Excellent job. So I'm going to tell my girlfriend Lisa that you used her in your presentation.
Oh, you know her?
We speak at the same circuits. Yeah. So, know her for years. But this overview of what you received today, it costs money in real life, right? So you thank your regional director that she asked Zorbel to do this workshop because it's her gift, it's her skill, it's her time. And I'm looking, I don't see a couple certifications I'm going to give you some access to that we have partnerships with Zeta, with the Minority Business Council. So WEVAC is one that I think you would be excellent in.
Look at God.
And it's going to be a whole nother level for you. And Goldman Sachs, 10,000, you should look into that too. It's all over you.
Oh.
This is your calling. And when we walk in it, right, our purpose has been established before we were born. You know, by now I think y'all know your brand is not ashamed about loving Jesus, right? So we have a whole lot of faith in the organization, and we can respect that, but our 5 founders, they had a divine destiny that they were fulfilling. And when we walk in that destiny, we attract other people who are, 1, learning, 2, be inspired by, but 3, that you can take some action with. That's right. And Women Who Win, this is about our organization uplifting those who already established businesses, but for those who want to. Like, this workshop is excellent. I'm gonna talk to the Women Who Win team. We might have to do a little bit more with you, Zorbel. But I had to, you know, I was in the room doing Zeta work, and, you know, as soon as I got here, I said, I want to come down to the Women Who Win workshop because it's important to me to see and support this work. But it goes deeper than just having a business, because a business idea or an additional stream of income is not just about having a business. It's about your calling. So you show up on a job in corporate America to deliver your best because you're transforming, but you create space for an enterprise because it's burning on the inside of you. And you see other people doing it, and you're like, well, what? I can do that. Yes, you can. But most people will just think about doing it instead of actually taking action. So I'm so glad you came to this workshop. I'm so glad I was able to come down. And I want to thank you again, Zorbel. This is how we make the world a better place. So when you go into a coaching session, you've already gotten a little precursor to, okay, this is where I need clarity. And I know one thing about prayers: the more specific you are, the faster you get an answer. That's right.
Amen.
Right? So no matter what your faith is, you have to believe in something if you're going to start a business. Not everybody's going to do it because it's easier not to. And there's a whole lot that comes with it. But if you stay the course, what a beautiful feeling to think that you create legacy. That somebody else will be talking about your work, your product, your book, your service. That's what makes me excited. To know that we're creating space in our sisterhood to lift up those who are enterprising and to share the same resources with the community that we serve. So that we're building and growing together. This place that we're living in now, this democracy that is very fragile. God bless the child that's got his own. So I just want to say thank you. I know there's another workshop ready to start, and we will take the picture. But this was wonderful, and I'm glad that you all came and supported. Regional directors have a hard job trying to make sure we get all of the information into a conference, give different offerings for when people arrive. And this, I'm happy to see that we had a Women Who Win workshop as a part of your opening offering. So, thank you.
And I would say one thing to add on to that. So, the way I got this workshop, honestly, was at our state day in Iowa. And that regional director and I weren't even talking about this. We were talking about parliamentary procedure because your soror over here was confused. Okay, some stuff that was going on. I said, I need help because I'm not sure. And how my business even came up, I don't know. But it was during that conversation that she was like, can you put something together in 75 minutes? I say this to say this, always be ready.
Always stay ready.
You don't have to get ready.
Yeah.